Hello, let's see how to use custom margins from inches in Word. This is blank Word document. In here, button called layout and click this button called margins and select custom margins. Now, per inch equals with 2.54 centimeters. Let's see in Google. Here, and 2 inch equals with 5.08. Now in margins, select custom margins. Now if you want to enter 1 inch, you have to use your number, and to make call as inch, you have to use single double quotation like this. And again for bottom, I'm you to use okay. Always you have to use this single double quotation for make the margins as inch. Okay, it's one problem, right? Okay, now you can see our inches automatically converted to these centimeters.